What's up, guys? So we're going river rafting today, and second day in Tahoe. We're bringing the Barley here, and we'll have a lot of fun, and maybe we'll go in the river after we go rafting. All right, guys, we're here at the river rafting spot, so we're just waiting to get down to the spot, the river, and we got Asha, hi. Julia, Barley, and Uma. Hi. And we are going to go and have some fun on the river. All right, we are on the river now. We got everyone on the boat, and we got Barley here. And here's the river. I'll show you what's underneath it for a second. That was whatever was in the river. I'm gonna get in the water soon, and I'll start the video when I get back in the day.
Just tell me when to paddle.
Alright, guys, we are going through some rapids up here. Here's what the rapids look like underwater. Everyone paddle on the right. Good job. Alright, we're going. There's some rapids coming up here. Oh yeah, baby.
Nice work.
All right,
yeah,
now
we're hitting it. Woo.
There's a little bit of white water here.
Woohoo! Nice.
Hey, paddle that way, paddle that way.
Paddle left, paddle left. You're good. You're good, keep paddling up. There you go, good job.
Yeah, good job.
Stop.
Nice, good job, guys. Good job, everyone.
Woo! Anita, just put your paddle in and let it block the water.
Yeah.
Put it in.
Watch out, guys. Hold on, Kelly's taking it.
Woohoo! Nice work.
Can I go in?
Yep.
Alright.
You can go in.
Who wants to film?
I do. Me, please. I will.
You guys can film. I don't care. I'm going in.
You can move to his seat. And is it on, Lucas?
Yeah. It's on.
Go ahead.
You can just edit this bit.
Don't drop it, Julia.
I will 100% not.
Julia, I'm
Yeah.
serious.
I'm not gonna drop it.
Barley, you can come here. Let him go.
Kind of figured out.
Yep.
Oh, Lucas, watch out the ground.
Watch out your belly.
Watch out, please, y'all.
Careful, you okay? You okay? Okay. Oh, fish just jumped right here. Sit on, yeah.
Nice. Lucas, it gets right.
On the side.
Outside, not the inside.
How was it in there? Cool?
Okay, guys. Lucas is under the water officially, and we are about to go through some rapids. So we're probably gonna have him come up. But
Where's Lucas?
Yeah.
Hey Lucas, you might want to get in.
Get in because there's a rock right in front of us.
he's getting in the boat back there
Good work, buddy.
with our dog. It was
Hey Lucas,
paddling.
if you wear a life jacket, you can
Going through these
float.
rapids.
You won't have to try and swim so much.
All right, cool. We're about to paddle.
Do you hear me? Grab one of behind you. Then you can just float and you don't have to spend any time worrying about.
All right, guys, we made it to a stop on the side of the river. We've been on for like
What river are we on?
We're on the Truckee River. What? How far have we gone? Like half?
Just past a mile.
Yeah, just so around half an hour, 45 minutes. So we're looking. We found a shoe. We found a shoe and that squishy ball over there. So yeah, so pretty good so far. For the time I've been in pretty much zero time. But here's Barley. He's just crawling in the water. So I think I'm just gonna like screw around and stuff with my mask and hopefully look for some stuff. Hopefully find some stuff. We'll see. I'm gonna go in now. We go around Barley.
Look, Barley, Barley.
You want the ball? Go get it. Go get it, Barley. Go get it. Let him go, let him go.
Yay, that's what we need.
Ready, Barley?
Alright guys, so basically we're done looking in this river. We were in that river, I was floating along, jumping off the raft a bunch of times, trying to grab stuff. So this is what I found. Here's the first item. It is like this, just bottle, beer can lid thing. And here's the next thing. It's a mosquito band with a Disney, interesting thing. I've never found one of these before, mosquito band. I found a pinky, which is interesting. I've never even seen any of these before. I've also found these sunglasses. They're not branded,
them
but
both.
they are
Great
pretty. It's a
table,
pretty good
guys.
fun. I think that's my best fun
Got
today.
upgraded.
Bigger and water.
And a beer cat. So that's some pretty good stuff. Not bad for just jumping off the river. All right, guys. So we finished river rafting for the day. We're driving back to the house, and we had a lot of fun. We ate lunch and at the river ranch at the end of our route for the river rafting. We're going back home, and I'll just chill out, and then we'll drive back home to our real home. Thank you guys for watching the video, and hope you guys enjoyed.